You can also easily create a video story by using Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that, you need to go around and click on the create button right here. And once you do that, what happens is that you can see that video story is an option on the top. Click on it and you get to select a category right here. Let's say I'm going to go around and select out travel right here. And let's say I'm going to select travel diaries right here, just like this. So let me just go around and click on get started, and what happens is that the template gets started downloading, as you can see right here, just like this. So it does take a bit of time right here. So now that it has been downloaded over here, you can see that I can go around and select out my media right here. So I'm just going to go to files and folders right here and select off a bunch of media just like this. I'm just going to go around and select these out right here, this one, and let's say for example this one right here, and this is it. So let me just go around and click on open right here. And then it is adding out media, as you can see right here. So these are the story assets. So let me just go around and click on next, and then you can see that you can go around and then just go around, and then it says add a moment you'd like to open your movie with right here. So let's just go around over here, and then let's say for example click on this, click and drag around over here and drag these video clips right here. Maybe add this one over here just like this, and then add these ones here. So you can go around and then according to the chapters there are, you can go around and add in more videos right here. In my case I just have 5, so I'm just going to go around and keep those out right here. So you can see that you can go around and from the preset chapters right here, you can just go around and keep those in right there. You can also go around and add in a chapter as you wish right here, and then work around with it as well. So you can see that this is the new chapter. So let me just go around and delete it. And over here, I'm just going to go around and keep this out right here. So I'm just going to utilize the ones that are there in the template that was downloaded. So then I'm going to go around and click on next right here, and then you can see that this is what you have. So you got the Meet Your Travelers right here, then you got the journey, places visited, and the trip highlights, as you can see right here. You can go around and preview this. So it's processing, as you can see right there, just like that, and then you'll get the preview of it right there. So there you go. So a trip to remember, as you can see right here. So you can see that it is a full edit right here. So you can simply go around and export this to timeline right here, just like this. And it says story will be published as a new project on the timeline. So let me just press OK and save this out right here. And you can see that it has been automatically edited right here for you. So you can just go around and preview this. But it does not play directly because it does render it out. So you can see that it is not playing. Yeah, now it is playing. Okay, so it is heavy, so it's not playing right away. So you do need to render it to make it smoother. So if you were to render it, then it does take a bit of time, as you can see right here. But anyways, now you can go around and change it out according to how you want. So you can go around over here. So you can see that these are the clips. You can go around and change these elements out as you like, and then change it out, move up the clips as you like, and make the changes as you like right here. And you can see that you get like an outline of the video story right here, just like this. And all the effects are added and so forth to make it interesting right from the start. So that is how you can utilize the video story option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements and make your videos interesting right away. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.